Hello! So here I will be showing you how to get slimes. The first slime would be at haunted house as well. You have to interact with it. The second one would be at the hot air balloon. You have to ride it until it's done. The third one would be at school. You have to go to the gym. You'll find one on the theater's backstage. The next one would be at the blue hole in the middle of the sea. The next two slimes would be at campground. The purple one would be inside of the polar bear's house, on top of the mountain. And then, you'll get the blue one if you win Infinity Tower. You'll get this slime if you kick the trash bin at downtown. For the next one, go to the market and interact with the oven. Go to the chocolate section and buy a chocolate bar. You'll get a chocolate slime. The next one is a hygiene slime. Go to the hospital and wash your hand at the operation room. And then go to the radiology room to do the X-ray. For this one, you should go to the hotel and relax yourself at the spa. Interact with the massage bed. Go to your hometown and buy an orange juice to get the slime. Ta-da! All done! Yay! Good luck finding the slimes and get this cute set. Bye-bye. See you on the next video.